Let me show you how to add Instagram story highlights. I'll also show you how to add it without necessarily posting that story to all of your friends. If you don't want everyone seeing that story, you just want it going straight to your highlights without being publicly available. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. And first, we need to start by tapping on your story at the top left. You can either choose to take a photo, but in this case, I'm just going to upload a photo of my daughter here. And now I'm going to tap on the arrow at the bottom right. The first thing I would recommend doing is checking to see whether you want to share this with everybody, or in my case, I'm just going to choose close friends because I'm just going to share it with a random account that doesn't follow me back, in this case, just The Daily Show. Now I'm going to hit share here, and now you can see at the top is add to highlights. I can tap on that add to highlights, and I can choose to either add it to an existing highlight that I've created, or I can always tap the plus and add it to a new highlight. I'm just going to add it to the existing one and hit done. I'll show you that it added it by tapping on the profile at the bottom right. And now if I refresh this, you'll be able to see if I tap on this, it will show the other highlight. I can always edit it by tapping on more and then edit highlight. And now from here, I can edit the cover, I can edit the name, I can choose which stories are on here, etc. And I can always also go back out of here and tap on the little plus and add any of these from my old stories. If you wanted to bring back an archived story, you can always just tap on that archived story, hit the next and hit add, and it will add that archived story onto your highlight as well.